In this video, we'll show you how to easily clean your sterling silver jewelry at home. We have here a pair of 18-karat gold-plated sterling silver earrings, both with tarnished posts. You can see the darkened color. This is quite common for sterling silver when it's exposed to certain chemicals or simply left out in the air for too long. The tools we'll be using are aluminium foil, baking soda, and a small bowl. First, place the foil inside the bowl with the shiny side facing up. Drop in the earrings, add a scoop of baking soda, and then pour in some freshly boiled water. You'll notice a bit of sizzling. That's where the magic begins. Add another scoop of baking soda to make sure the cleaning is as thorough as possible. Give it a gentle stir and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now take out the earrings and rinse them with water. Then gently dry them using a soft cloth. Voila! The tarnish is gone and we're left with a pair of sparkly sterling silver earrings looking as good as new.